In this video, we are going to see how to save a file as a PDF format in Windows 11 computer. The most important thing is there is no any external application is needed. Now see, there is a just image format. Now you can able to see it's a image on my desktop. Now I am double clicking on it. See, it's a complete an image format. Now I am going to save this image as in PDF format. In top you can able to see the print option, or you can use this print, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl P. In first one, just select Microsoft Print to PDF. It's very important. Just select the option Microsoft Print to PDF and then give print and save the file where you need it. I'm just saving this file on my desktop. And I'm giving save. Yes, you can able to see the PDF here, and I am having a notepad here. You can able to see it's a notepad format. I'm just going to save this file as a PDF format. Now just give Ctrl P and you need to select this option Microsoft Print to PDF. It's very important, and just save the file and save the file anywhere you want. And you can able to see my notepad format has been changed to a PDF format. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.